Stress prevention made easy through meditation. If you are like everyone else, then you probably have a lot of stress. It's easy to have a lot of stress between everything that goes in your day-to-day life. Luckily, there are many stress prevention techniques that you can use to make your everyday life easier on you. Most people wake up in the morning and go to work until late afternoon. They then have to fight rush hour traffic to get home, and once they get home, they have to make dinner. If they have kids, then they also have to help them with their schoolwork and tailor to their other needs. This can leave little or no time for you to relax each and every night. With so little time, how are we supposed to be able to fit stress prevention into our lives? The answer lies in something that has been used for hundreds and thousands of years: meditation. Meditation is a powerful stress prevention tool that has been used in many different religions and by many different people for different reasons. Some people use meditation for time to reflect on their day-to-day lives, while others use it to clear their minds. The art of meditation is very simple, but very effective. If you use it, you can increase your stress prevention. This is because meditation focuses on relaxing your mind and body. By doing this on a daily basis, you will feel less stress and you'll be in a better mood overall. Can you give me an example how meditation aids in stress prevention? If you live in a busy life, like described above, and then you will probably wonder, how can meditation help me and when can I find time to do it? Meditation can easily aid in stress prevention. Let's say you've had a rough day at work and you're tired and slightly irritated. When you get home, you don't feel like doing much, but you know there's a lot that you have to accomplish, but you're not looking forward to it. Right? When you get home, you should take 15 minutes to a half hour and spend time meditating. During this time, you'll be able to release the problems from your work and you'll be getting a dose of stress prevention. This way, you're preventing stress at home and you will have a happier family life. How can I get started with meditation and stress prevention? There are two important factors that you have to do when trying to meditate. But before you can meditate, you have to dedicate yourself to doing it. By doing this, you'll be sure to be successful at it. Resource box. When meditating for stress prevention, you will need to ensure that you have a solid amount of time that you will be undisturbed. This is very important because if you get disturbed while meditating, you may just become irritated. You will also need to create a relaxing and quiet atmosphere to meditate in. Stress prevention made easy through meditation.